Hey guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. During pregnancy, if the baby has stopped giving you movements suddenly, all the movements have slowed down, the frequency has become very less, and you are anxious on it, then this video is for you. We will discuss everything about the slowing down of the movements or the movement stopping completely. So watch this video till end because this is going to be very informative video. So first of all, I would like to tell you that between 5th to 6th month of the pregnancy, the baby starts moving inside the womb. The baby actually moves way before this period, but the experience of this movement can only be felt when the baby's movements are aggressive and strong. As the baby has started giving you movements since 4th month of the pregnancy, but it cannot be felt that much because the baby's movement are not very much strong. The baby itself is not very much strong to give you movements or the kicks. But when you land up in your 5th or the 6th month or in between, you start feeling aggressive movements because the baby is bulky, the baby is strong, he's kicking you all around, he's moving all around, stretching the arms and the legs, and you will see some sort of projections over your skin in coming months. So in this period of 5th to 6th month, you will start getting the movements, but it will be quite easy to acknowledge that this is the baby's movement. But now as you will progress in your pregnancy, like 6th, 7th month, movements are going to become stronger. When you come to your 7th month, the baby's movement are the strongest because at this time the baby is bulky, the baby is strong, and there is good amount of space in the womb. But now after the completion of the 7th month, when you will land up in your 8th and the 9th month, then the baby will gain the weight exponentially and the baby will become bulkier and bulkier. At that moment, the space inside the womb will not be that much that the baby will be able to move that much freely as the baby used to move in the months like 5th, 6th and the 7th month. During the 8th month and around 32 to 35th week of the pregnancy, the baby will fix head downwards in the pelvic region, and now the baby will not be able to move at all. So as I have told you that in the 7th month the baby is strong, he is moving all around your stomach, all around the womb and giving you good movements. But as you will land up in your 8th month, the baby will tend towards the pelvic region. The baby will fix the head over there and the baby's free movements will be stopped, and you will be only feeling the movements in the side of your stomach or in your upper abdomen because the baby is now giving you movements using his hands that are on the side of your stomach and through the legs that are facing towards your chest. So these are the region you will be feeling the movements. But as the pregnancy progresses, the baby gains the weight. Now it makes the space constraint in the womb and the baby is not able to give you movements. So this is a very normal thing why the movements will slow down as you will gradually progress in your pregnancy. But it has to be tracked very positively that the baby is still giving you movements. At least you should feel 2 to 3 movements per hour. Sometimes the baby is sleeping, so you will not feel the movements, but by now you would get accustomed to the sleeping pattern of the baby, when the baby is sleeping, when baby is not sleeping. So if it is not the sleeping time of the baby and you're not feeling the movement since 2 to 3 hours, then you have to be really proactive on it. So you should try to wake up the baby, assuming that the baby is sleeping. For waking up the baby, you can drink cold water, you can drink warm water, or you can change the taste of whatever you are eating. Eat something spicy. If you are in a very calm environment, then change your environment to some noisy environment, make some loud noise, or vice versa. If you are in a noisy environment, then go to a very calm environment because sometimes due to the environmental noises, you will not be able to feel the vibration or the movements of the baby. So for this, you have to be in a quiet area, lay down on your bed, try to move your hand on your stomach so as to comfort the baby. Also, you can provoke the baby to give you movements by flashing a light on your stomach because baby starts giving you reaction for light intensity, sound intensity, and the taste sensitivity has also been developed so far. So these sensitivities you have to check, you have to vary, and you should try provoking the baby to give you movements. If the baby is still not giving you movement even after trying, then you should visit your gynecologist because there could be something that needs to be diagnosed. Only then something can be said what is happening inside. But do not worry about it, these things happens, but you need to be in consistent touch with your gynecologist. If you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do so. Hit the red subscribe button, press the notification bell, and then select all to get notified of all the upcoming videos on pregnancy. Do not forget to give me thumbs up, like this video, share this video, put on your questions in the comment section. We'll catch up in another video on pregnancy. Till then, peace out, stay happy, stay healthy.